Can you mine Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the Binance app? How does Binance Pool work? What is Binance Cloud Mining? And what is Binance Supermine? That's what I will answer to you in today's video. The first step for using the Binance app and any products here on Binance is to create the 100% free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can get the best welcome rewards on Binance. After you click the first link below my video, you will land on the Binance registration page where you will see my face, my channel name and the details of your welcome rewards. If you want to get even bigger and better welcome rewards, Bybit provides the best ones for our subscribers. As you can see here, the details about the welcome rewards. You can also sign up for free and click here get my welcome gifts. But now let's go back to the Binance app and talk more about the mining. When you come inside the Binance app, you will see here on the home page this more section. You click it and then you start scrolling down right here. You go all the way to the section where it says here earn. And here you have probably seen this mining pool, and then there is a super mine. And when we click here pool, you also see the cloud mining. So there are basically three things related to mining. There is the mining pool, cloud mining and super mine. Let me start by talking to you about the Binance mining pool and how it works. It's basically a pool where many people mine together and share rewards. It's one of the biggest mining pools in the world. Let me show you the proof right here. If we look at the biggest Bitcoin mining pools in the world, currently Binance Pool is ranked number 6 in the entire world. I remember it was ranked number 4 at some point, and the ranking has been fluctuating, but either way it's one of the biggest and therefore most trusted mining pools in the entire world. And here on the Binance Pool you can also mine Bitcoin, Litecoin, and you can see many other cryptocurrencies including Dash, and you can see all of the different ones here on the screen. You were able to also mine Ethereum back in the days, but then they moved into proof of stake. So nowadays you cannot mine it here, but you can still stake Ethereum as well on Binance. And here on the Binance app you can get more information about this. If you click for example for Bitcoin, it shows you the details, it shows you the mining URL, it gives you the mining fee, and here you can do the calculations yourself. You can also get information about other coins. For example, Litecoin, you can see the hash rate here, so how much they are mining. Here you can see also the conversions and more information, including the mining URLs where people are mining. Let's show one more example. Here is a Dash mining pool. You can see information about it as well. And if you want to see your own statistics, you can go back, and here you can see the statistics once you start mining, your rewards here, and then the workers, so the miners that you set up. So that's the basic idea. Then here they have this cloud mining. Let's click that one. And if you have seen my previous videos, you understand how it works, and you have seen my results that I can also show you in a moment here on the my orders section. The basic idea here is 3 steps. So you buy a package, then Bitcoin mining happens on the Binance miners, and then you gain BTC every day. And this whole process works exactly as promised, because when I click here my orders, you can see that I have had many of these Binance cloud mining packages because I wanted to test it. And here it shows always how much was earned. Here it shows the hash rate and all the other details. I have shown you this also in my previous videos, but you notice here one thing: valid time. This lasted only for a limited time, and for example at the moment they are sold out. So at least at the moment of recording this video, they are not providing new cloud mining packages. And either way, based on my calculations of my packages, it's typically better to get more Bitcoin directly rather than getting cloud mining packages. And also a quick word of warning regarding cloud mining in general. On Android phones and Apple phones, there are a lot of scams related to cloud mining. Binance is of course one of the reliable ones, but you should be very careful if you go to Google Play Store or App Store, because there are also apps that are not reliable. So that was a little bit about the cloud mining. And now let's go here and take a look at this Supermine, because sometimes people ask, what is the difference between Binance mining and Supermine? It says supercharge your mining power, unlock more rewards. There are 3 steps. First, begin with Binance Pool, then select Supermine campaign that best suits you and track your progress and win rewards. So this is basically for the people who are already mining on Binance, and these are usually limited time campaigns where you can share rewards. You can see, for example, Spring Festival, Miners League. There are rewards in USDC in both of these examples. And here you can see also USDC rewards. So these are limited time campaigns that can give you extra rewards when you are actively mining. So of course, if you are a miner here, I recommend you take a look at here regularly and participate in these campaigns to get extra rewards. So now of course comes the big question. Is Binance the best Bitcoin mining app for Android? And is Bitcoin mining still worth it or not? First, if we talk about the Binance app, it's of course one of the most popular crypto and Bitcoin apps in the world. They have more than 300 million users last time I checked. They have of course one of the biggest mining pools in the world, and of course when we talk about trading, it's number 1 in the world. So by multiple metrics, Binance is among the best in the world. So yes, it's at least one of the trusted ones. Is it the best? Is it not best? We can argue it's at least one of the best ones, right? But now of course comes the bigger question. Is Bitcoin mining still worth it? And I already mentioned to you that when I did cloud mining on Binance, I was profitable with that, but getting Bitcoin directly would have been even better. If you want to see the exact numbers, exact results, I have published videos on my YouTube channel where I show you that. And when it comes to so-called real mining, where you get own mining devices and join the mining pool, then that's another question, because then you need to have first those devices, and then you need to pay for electricity. And if you don't have a competitive advantage, joining mining pool may not help you. It may give you some boost, especially if you go into Binance Supermine events and all of these. It can be better. And then of course, if you get some other rewards, yes, but unless you have competitive advantage like cheap electricity, or let's say you buy many miners in bulk or similar benefits, it may be challenging. If you are a miner, for example, at home, most of the time it's not worth it. Unless you of course do it for charity reasons or you just want to support the network. But for the financial reasons, nowadays mining is rarely worth it. In my opinion, most people would benefit from the Binance app using other methods than the mining itself, because mining pool, it's great for miners, people who want to specialize on that. But I would say 99% or 99.9% of the Binance app users would probably benefit more from the other features. For example, they provide the automated trading bots that we often talk about in our videos. Many people have requested copy trading. I also provide that. Convert recurring is great with Bitcoin. Then of course spot trading, where you can get more Bitcoin. And once you get more Bitcoin through this direct method, so using the trading bots, convert recurring, spot and copy trading, then you can go into earn section and you can use simple earn products where you can get a nice boost. And Binance Simple Earn at the moment doesn't provide best rewards in the industry, in my opinion. There are other platforms that give you a much higher rate. Just to give you a quick idea, Binance, for example, they have the earn section. They give better rates than Binance, and CoinEx specifically. This one you can use even privately, and you can see here flexible savings for USDT and BTC. They are much higher than on Binance. Just for the comparison, the maximum rate on Binance at the moment is roughly 6%. Here it's more than 14%. Maximum rate on Binance for BTC savings is like 0.26%. Here it's more than 11% maximum. So CoinEx provides much better boost in general than Binance. And then they also have fixed savings where there are potentially even higher rewards for a fixed time frame. So in my opinion, for most people, these types of products are better. So you get those earn products, automated products, and then of course the Bitcoin DCA bot. You can also use them on Bybit trading bot section. And if you go to CoinEx and you come to homepage, they also provide automated strategic trading bots. So there are many great alternatives for Binance that you can use.